I didn't see you there. I was just reading a chapter out of my life story, 50 Shades of Eric. Would you guys like to hear a chapter?
Yeah!
Chapter 24601. Discovering myself. Growing up as a Hmong child, I never really knew who I was. I knew there was a problem when the Chinese kids didn't know who I was. And then the Laotian kids. And then the Filipinos. In fact, that was a conundrum. Conundrum spelled wrong. It wasn't until then I realized that maybe I wasn't quite right for this world. I never really knew who I was. I find solace in movies and in television. But then I discovered art. And art opened my eyes to many things. Art. Art was the time in my life, performance is where I realized who I was. That's where I found myself. And that's what culture shows really are. Not just a moment for us to show you all pieces of our culture to celebrate it, but for maybe 2 minutes when we're on stage, 2 to 5 to 10 to 20 to 30, 55 to 3.5, we realize who we are, that we are unified in art, that maybe through art we really discover who we are, and that's being Hmong. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I want to offer you guys a special gift. I'm a little worried about it. You heard Sambert. It's a piece I've been working on. It's actually part of my one-man show, Eric Untied. Do you guys want to see it? Yeah! Are you sure? Yeah! I have to warn you, it's a little different.
Okay, no.
And it's very low budget. Alright, folks.